Alright, how's it going, guys? Thought I'd make a follow-up video from the last one due to popular demand. So, here we go. I got the 6AN steel braided lines into the fuel block. I've clocked the turbo to make the intercooler piping all work out. And I also got a 2.5 inch to 2 inch coupler because the inlet side on the HKS surge tank is actually 2 inches and the rest of my piping is 2.5, so I had to get this coupler from Mishimoto. And also the to make the blow-off valve fit on the surge tank, I had to get a 240Z distributor because the 280ZX distributor housing got in the way of the flange right there. It actually sticks up and you can't actually fit BOV over it. So I got a 240Z dizzy. It's actually shorter and it clears the blow-off valve. I've also installed the shortened 3-inch throttle linkages, as well as cut to length the 3/8 inch throttle shaft as well. Now the only thing left to do is obviously to hook up the intercooler piping, blow-off valve, and the cable throttle. So Dennis Gatt had a question about how to make this throttle cable work. So I have here what my plan is going to be. So this right here is a universal 32-inch length throttle cable kit. Comes with this. You can order it from Jegs or Summit Racing. Basically, this can be custom cut to any length. And the end right here, you can actually take this end off because there's a little pin in there. You unscrew that and you're left with this cable. So you can basically put whatever end you want to put on there. So what I've done was I got this piece right here, which is from Redline. And basically, these are built to work with the Weber setup. Since I have a Mikuni setup, I have to actually drill this inner hole out for the throttle linkage or the throttle rod. This is actually 7mm, but I have to drill it out to 9mm to work with this. So this is going to go onto the throttle rod like so, and the cable is going to pull it this way. Now if you can see, the cable is supposed to go through this ridge, and the end of the cable is supposed to go into this ball or this hole. Now obviously this fitting isn't going to work, so I bought this universal motorcycle clutch cable repair tool. Okay, and the end of this, you can take this off. This wire is going to go into this hole, and you can tighten it down with the Phillips head screw. And this round end is going to go into here, and the cable is going to go through this ridge. And you're going to be able to pull the throttle. What's also great is this end is already set from the manufacturer to work with the stock 240Z throttle linkage. Basically what you got to do is you have to remove this part, and you just put this end in onto this arm. As simple as that. Now the hard part is going to be obviously making a bracket which will hold this end in here like so. Okay. There really isn't much room because of the surge tank being in the way. So you're only left with a couple of options, which is to mount the bracket on those Phillips head screws you see there, or on the side of the carburetor right there. You can kind of see two holes on the side of that carb. And what my plan is to get a piece of aluminum, something like this, and bolt it. Alright, there we go. Bolt it on the side of that carburetor and make it work. So that's what I have right now. Once I get everything bolted up and working, I'll make another follow-up video. But this is the route I'm going with, and yeah, let me know if you guys have any more questions. See you next time.